Learn how people make money in the markets every single day? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple day trading strategies that beginners can use to get started and potentially profit even with a small account. Text on screen. Day trading for beginners. Section 1. What is day trading? Voiceover graphics. Day trading means buying and selling financial assets like stocks or crypto within the same day. The goal? Profit from small price movements by entering and exiting trades quickly. But it's not gambling, it's about strategy, discipline, and risk control. Section 2. Tools you need. Host on-cam with visual overlays. Before jumping in, here's what you need. A reliable broker like insert name. Real-time charting tools like TradingView. A solid internet connection. And most importantly, a trading plan. Section 3. Top 5 beginner strategies. 1. The moving average crossover. When a short-term average crosses over a long-term one, that's a signal to buy or sell. 2. Support resistance levels. Buy near support, sell near resistance. It's that simple but powerful. 3. Breakout trading. Watch for price breaking above resistance or below support. Big moves often follow. 4. Momentum trading. Follow the volume. High volume usually means strong price action. 5. Scalping. Small, quick trades using 1. 5-minute charts great for fast profits, but requires focus. Section 4. Risk management. Voiceover with animated chart. Never risk more than 1–2% of your capital on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders to protect yourself. Remember, success in trading is about surviving losses. Section 5. Final tips motivation. Host on-cam, speaking directly to viewer. Day trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Start with paper trading. Learn from every loss, stay patient, and remember every pro was once a beginner. Text on screen. Drop a comment if you're starting your trading journey. Host. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more finance content, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.